Are you tired of hearing that eating healthy has to cost a fortune? Do you walk into the grocery store and feel overwhelmed by the prices, thinking clean eating is just for people with huge budgets? Well, I used to feel that way too. It seemed impossible to fill my cart with fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains without emptying my wallet. But I've learned some tricks along the way. Today, I want to share my latest grocery haul with you. This isn't just a show and tell. It's about showing you exactly how I stock up on nutritious, whole foods while sticking to a budget. We're talking real food, simple ingredients, and practical ways to make healthy eating affordable for everyone, whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just starting your cooking journey. My goal is to inspire you and show you that clean eating is totally within reach, no matter your budget. Let's dive into what I got and why these items are budget-friendly, clean eating superstars. I always start with a plan, which is key, but we'll get to that later. First up, produce. This is often where people think the costs add up, but strategic choices make a big difference. I focused on items that are currently in season, which usually means they're cheaper and taste better. I grabbed a big bag of spinach. It's incredibly versatile for salads, smoothies, or cooking into sauces and stir-fries. It wilts down a lot, so a big bag goes further than you think. Carrots and onions are absolute staples. They're inexpensive year-round and form the base of so many healthy meals, from soups and stews to roasted vegetables. Sweet potatoes were on sale, so I stocked up. They're packed with nutrients and are great roasted, mashed, or added to bowls. They last a long time if stored properly. Apples and bananas are my go-to fruits for snacking and adding to oatmeal or yogurt. They're usually very affordable and easy to grab on the go. Don't forget frozen produce. Frozen berries are perfect for smoothies and baking, and they're often cheaper than fresh. Plus, they last forever. Frozen vegetables like broccoli or peas are just as nutritious as fresh and prevent waste. Moving on to grains and legumes. Brown rice and oats are incredibly cheap and form the base of countless healthy meals. Oats for breakfast, brown rice for lunch, or dinner bowls. Lentils and dried beans are protein powerhouses and cost pennies per serving compared to meat. A bag of dried lentils can make several meals. They're fantastic in soups, stews, or homemade veggie burgers. Canned beans are also a great option if you're short on time. Just remember to rinse them well. I grabbed some chickpeas and black beans for salads, tacos, and hummus. For protein, eggs are one of the most budget-friendly options. They're quick to cook and super versatile for any meal of the day. I also look for sales on lean meats like chicken breast or ground turkey. Buying larger packs when they're discounted and freezing portions is a smart move. Canned tuna or salmon are also good, affordable protein sources to keep in the pantry. Dairy or alternatives. I usually get plain yogurt, which is cheaper than flavored and has less added sugar. It's great for breakfast, snacks, or as a sour cream substitute. A block of cheese lasts longer and is cheaper than pre-shredded. Pantry staples are the backbone of budget clean eating. Olive oil, vinegar, spices, and herbs add flavor without adding cost. Buying spices in bulk can save money over time. I also picked up some whole wheat pasta and canned tomatoes. These are inexpensive ingredients that can be turned into a quick, healthy meal with some added vegetables and protein. So how did I make this haul budget-friendly? It starts before you even leave the house. Meal planning is non-negotiable for saving money and eating healthy. I planned out most of my meals for the week based on what I already had and what was on sale. Making a detailed grocery list based on that meal plan keeps you focused and prevents impulse buys. Stick to your list as much as possible. Checking online flyers or apps for sales at different stores helps you decide where to shop or what items to prioritize. Buying store brands for staples like rice, pasta, canned goods, and even some frozen items can save a significant amount without sacrificing quality. Avoid pre-cut fruits and vegetables or pre-made meals. The convenience comes at a high price. A head of lettuce is much cheaper than a bag of pre-washed salad mix. Eyeing certain items in bulk, like oats, rice, or dried beans, is cheaper per serving in the long run, provided you'll actually use them. Using loyalty programs or store apps for digital coupons can also add up to savings over time. Now for the fun part, turning these ingredients into delicious, healthy meals. This haul provides the building blocks for so many options. The spinach, carrots, onions, and sweet potatoes can be roasted together with some olive oil and spices for an easy side dish or base for a grain bowl. The brown rice, lentils, and frozen vegetables can become a hearty lentil and vegetable soup, or a simple rice and veggie stir-fry with some added protein. Eggs are perfect for quick scrambles with spinach or hard-boiled for snacks. The chicken breast can be baked or grilled and used in salads, wraps, or stir-fries throughout the week. Chickpeas can be roasted for a crunchy snack, added to salads, or blended into homemade hummus. Oats are for breakfast porridge, and bananas and apples are perfect additions. This haul allows for versatile meals like lentil soup, chicken and roasted vegetable bowls, spinach and egg scrambles, bean tacos, and simple pasta with tomato sauce and veggies. It's all about using simple, whole ingredients in multiple ways throughout the week to minimize waste and maximize your budget. Eating clean and healthy on a budget is absolutely achievable. It takes a little planning and being smart about your choices at the grocery store. Don't feel like you have to buy everything organic or expensive superfoods. Focus on whole, unprocessed ingredients that are naturally affordable. Start small if you're new to this. Maybe try planning just a few healthy meals a week and build from there. Every healthy choice you make is a step in the right direction. It's about nourishing your body without stressing your wallet. It's empowering to know you can take control of your health and your finances at the same time. I shared some of my favorite strategies, but I know this amazing community has so many brilliant ideas too. What are your go-to budget-friendly, clean eating staples? Do you have any clever tips for saving money at the grocery store or making healthy food last longer? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and learn from your experiences. Thanks for hanging out with me today and checking out this haul. I hope it gave you some ideas and encouragement for your own clean eating journey on a budget. You've got this.